Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable feedback tone for your speaker JBL Horizon 3. You have to start by open JBL ONE application. Of course you need to add your speaker to the app, and now tap at your speaker at the device list, scroll down, and you need to find product settings. Tap at this line, and right here at the last line we have feedback tone. And to enable it, just tap at the slider near to it, and to disable it you need to also press one time at this slider. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!